Okay, integrations, speaking of syncing up calendars. So this is really important. So first off, here's your API key if you have to manually integrate Calendly into anything. So Chrome, the Apple phone, see those are the two, Android app. But then you can connect it to all kinds of other things just automatically. The API is essentially like if you have to use a Zapier or maybe not even a Zapier, if you just want to try to connect it straight into your app and they ask for the API. But one of the biggest things here, well, here's your Stripe and your PayPal. So all of those, when you click it, it'll walk you through how to connect your Stripe and your PayPal. But the biggest thing here is calendar connections. And this is where you want to put in whatever calendar you want to connect. So you can add a calendar here and you can do pretty much every single one. Apple, this is for Windows, which I'm not, Exchange, Office 365, or Google, which is what I have. Let me come back. And then I'll show you my integrations. So here we have the calendars right here. So I connected my two Google accounts. That way on my calendar, if I create an event through either of these, it will show not available. And then some other different configurations. So you want to always check for conflicts on both of them. And you also, set the calendar you would like to add new events to. Realistically, it would only be one, but you can also add it to both. So that's kind of the calendars connections there. One thing, like with MailChimp, you connect via tags. You can connect to your Zoom webinars, your GoToMeetings or your Google Meets. You can connect into your Google Analytics if you really want to track like every time someone lands. And then here's the custom API and webhooks, because sometimes you need a webhook instead of an API key. But I think that's it on integration. So definitely just connect your calendar first, and then you can kind of play around with all of these. And if you're running ads to like a booking ad, then connecting Facebook pixels would be important too. And then here's Zapier. Cool.